Hello friends, my name is Palash Chandra Das. Today I came with the part 2 of Investigate a Faulty Investigations. This part 2 will be focused on what good investigations look like. If you want to go through my part 1 video, I will share the link below the description in YouTube. Before going to proceed for the main presentation, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel PRES Pharmaceutical Resource and Education Services and press the bell icon to get notification of my all upcoming videos. As I discussed my earlier presentations, this sort of discussions I picked up from MHRA Inspectorate blog. So no further wasting time, I will move for my presentation. Let's start the discussion here. How the effective investigations look like. Investigation should be launched from the outset of the intention of establishing true root cause and identifying appropriate kappas. It is not only a mechanism to protect patient safety, but a way to improve the efficiency of a organization operations. Investigators should consider beyond the initial probable root cause of an incident and confirm or rule out other possible potential root causes. This should include speaking with the relevant colleagues involved in the investigations or incident, and best practices would include visiting the area involved. A review of previous investigation is important to identify if this is a recurring issue within the area on a specific piece of equipment or a process. Let's talk about risk assessments. Risk assessment on the batch campaign and previous campaign should be considered as appropriate. Guidance on risk assessment methodology is available in ICHQ 9. The assessment should be sufficiently detailed to cover all reasonable risks, be evidence-led, and drive decision on batch disposition and/or recalls, rather than building cases to support any decision already made. Some issues can appear minor at surface level. Only when assessed will more significant risks become known. The extent of the issue and the other batches effects should to be considered. It may be the issue has been there but undetected for longer time. Consideration of patient safety. The quality, safety, and efficacy risks in the context of patients should to be central of all investigations. It should to be clearly considered and included in the associate documentations. Thought must be given to the circumstances in which the failure may not have been detected and what the risk profile could be. Root cause analysis. There are several approaches to root cause analysis that are well known and recommended. However, we do not always see them used even when there is a clear advantages or true root cause could not be identified, has been recorded in the report. Such tools are like Ishikawa fusion diagram and 5Y analysis. These are the most popular tools used in the industry. Let's see example. When we see certain investigation like this, while seal failure on the manufacturing equipment is the direct cause of oil leakage and equipment seizing, the root cause could be that. So this is the anticipated root cause. We assume we talk about the wrong seal are fitted during the plant maintenance, and we blame supplier that the supplier has changed their specifications. So probably if we dig into the actual root cause, and then we'll find that the seal has worn out, indicating the plant maintenance schedule was ineffective, and potentially due to the increase of equipment utilizations, it got ruptured. So rather than focusing on virtual or superficial root causes, I would like to recommend to focus on the major or critical root causes which will have longer impact on your process, and it will give the better quality and patient safety. Now let's talk about kappa. So nowadays industry is taking hundred of kappas, and then we can see in the last slide, in last presentation as well, um, kappas are being outdated and they are not completing in time. So we clearly define the kappas in the investigation, directly address the root cause, have realistic and risk-based target dates, B monitor the conclusions. Target this are too optimistic can impact the pharmaceutical quality system in other way, and company should think about the applications of arbitrary completion timelines, especially when you know you have an urgency to close the kappa, or before next manufacturing batch the kappa need to be closed. So let's talk about a well-managed system. The system supporting investigation activities and output should be monitored with trending to obtain meaningful information that can be used to drive routine improvement and ensure the approved timelines are met. Sometimes uh, historical review of investigations or any kind of failure give very meaningful impact to your investigations. Nowadays auditors are more interested, and they are looking for minimum 2 years back historical investigation assessment. Any kind of recurrence investigations, notifying that your kappa system is completely failed, or you are not able to identify the root cause or potential reasons for failure holistically. This well-managed system includes the scrutiny during the management review and escalations where needed to ensure the system remains in control, and an effective means of protecting patients when things have gone wrong. Thank you very much. I think this presentation will be helpful for you. This is a set of two presentations. The first presentation talk about what bad, and second presentation talk about how to make it good. So I'm looking for your feedback. See you soon. Goodbye.